Hello everyone, I'm Professor Lee of Dr. Anti-Aging and Herbal Medicine TV. Have you ever gone hiking in the fall and come across clusters of bright red berries hanging from the vines? Every year when I see them, I can't help but stop and admire their beauty. These are Schisandra berry, also known as the five-flavor berry. And the name really says it all. When you taste them, you can sense sourness, sweetness, bitterness, pungency, and even a hint of saltiness all at once. Most people know Schisandra berry is good for health, but few realize that this berry is scientifically proven to offer unique benefits you won't find in other foods. That's why today's topic is Schisandra berry, the health and longevity berry of September. Schisandra berry is a climbing plant from the magnolia family that grows naturally in the cold valley of the mountains. And it's not bearing fruit. How do you recognize it? The most important clue is its fine stems. They are brownish, sometimes grayish, but with a subtle reddish hue. You also notice the bright green oval leaves. And here's the fun trick. If you cut a small twig and smell it, you'll immediately notice a refreshing sweet-sour fragrance. That's a sure sign you've found Schisandra berry. What you're looking at now is how Schisandra berry looks in early summer around June. Its male and female flowers grow on separate vines. This one is a female plant already showing a small fruit. And here's the fall scene. Notice the leaf stems, they are tinged with red. The branches too are reddish brown, and at the tips, the vine tendrils curl like little hooks. And finally, here they are, the cluster of bright red berries. Even though I see them every year during autumn hikes, I still find myself pausing in awe at how beautiful they are. In traditional medicine across Korea, China, and Japan, Schisandra berry was used to strengthen liver function, restore energy, calm the mind, relieve coughs, help with insomnia, recover from fatigue, and even treat diarrhea. In everyday life, Schisandra berry tea has long been enjoyed for quenching thirst and refreshing the body. If you try it with ice and a little honey, it's delicious. Or served as a fruit punch with pear and pine nuts, it's amazing. Many also enjoy Schisandra berry wine. And in modern research, animal studies have confirmed its anti-aging effect on skin cells, which is why it's used as a cosmetic ingredient too. The most famous active compound in Schisandra berry is schizandrine, a type of polyphenol. The name Schisandra comes from Greek schizo means spirit and andros meaning male or stamen, reflecting the flower's split stamens. Its scientific name is Schisandra chinensis, which is chinensis meaning native to China. Schisandrine is most concentrated in the fruit and stems, and its health effects have been proven not only in lab and animal studies, but also in clinical trials. One study with 80 participants found that after 12 weeks of Schisandra berry extract, fasting and post-meal blood sugar and insulin markers all improved. LDL cholesterol decreased significantly, and no serious side effects were reported. Another trial showed that as Schisandra berry extract was combined with light exercise, participants improved muscle strength and muscle mass more than exercise alone. In smaller studies on liver disease patients, Schisandra berry supplementation improved liver function as well. Of course, there are capsules and powders, but I recommend the simplest way, Schisandra berry tea. About 3 to 10 grams of dried berries per day is ideal. For light brew, steep 1 to 2 grams in a cup of hot water about 250 cc for 15 minutes. Drink this twice a day. If you prefer it stronger, simmer 3 to 10 grams in 500 cc of water on low heat for 15 minutes. Then let it steep for another 10 minutes before drinking. Just be careful. If you boil it too long, the taste can become overly astringent. Now, for about side effects. Some people may experience digestive issues like heartburn, abdominal discomfort, or loss of appetite. Occasionally, skin reaction like rashes or itching has been reported. If that happens, stop for a while and restart at a lower dose. Because Schisandra very may stimulate uterine contractions, it's not recommended during pregnancy. Those with reflux, stomach ulcers, or nervous system sensitivity should consult a professional before use. So, who benefits the most from Schisandra berries? 1. People with diabetes or pre-diabetes. It helps improve blood sugar and cholesterol. 2. Those with hepatitis B or C or non-alcoholic fatty liver. Liver function improves. 3. Adults in a midwife and beyond who exercise regularly, especially women after menopause. It enhances strength and muscle mass. 4. And finally, anyone under stress or needing recovery from fatigue will find it helpful. So, there you have it, the red jewel of autumn, Schisandra berry. This September, why not enjoy a cup of Schisandra berry tea and give yourself the gift of health and vitality?